Alright guys, just a quick analysis on SPY. A lot of people are asking my opinion. So I already drew some of my zones and my support areas. So Friday, September 18, SPY closed above the bottom of the demand zone. So we did a pullback. We make a net we build this nice rejection week, but we closed above 330 area. And that's a pretty good strong support area. So you can see back in September we held there. August 6 and August 5 we held there. So right now we're just bouncing in the demand zone. We need to break the 332.20 to have a potential of bouncing up again. But above the yellow EMA is better. Like I said in the previous videos and in the program, like above 200 EMA is it's mainly an uptrend. Below 200 EMA is mainly a downtrend. Like if you look at when we started dropping, when we broke the below 200 EMA, we just kept on going down. And then right here, we bounce because this is a pretty strong support. If you go all the way back, what is this? March 17. Alright, see that? It's a pretty good level because we hit that a lot of times, so that's why it became a pretty good support area. Then we bounced and then we broke the 200, kept going up since then. We did the golden cross here. So if you do the course, I mean, I explained everything like what is golden cross and that cross. So right now, from what I see, we can see a potential bounce for SPY since we're holding here. I mean, you also need to check the futures. So if you check the SPX is pretty much inside the demand zone. So this is the demand zone. You can see that this is a pretty good it's a pretty good support area, and you see it's a nice pin bar, nice rejection week. So if you break above this area 3333 above the demand zone, you can see it bounce back to like 3360, but then SPY's kind of making a descending triangle, might be squeezing right here. So we can see it bounce, like break out and bounce and squeeze. We can see a breakout here and go back to 3387 right here, or it can go down and drop some more. If it drops, what's gonna happen is we may see it form a downtrend channel. It's been a while since we saw a downtrend channel, a big one for SPX. So I circled this one. That's where the next support. There we go. See that? Almost made it. A little higher. There we go. So we can see squeeze there. Then squeeze again on the descending triangle. So back on SPX. I mean now SPY. Right now the red DO is fired. You see it dropping. So if you're following the DOA and you made a lot of money there, that was a nice drop. Now since we're holding, looks like it's almost the same with SPX. Looks like we're making a downtrend channel. I mean, this one looks like more like a falling wedge. So if we're making a falling wedge, so we might keep going down. So red deal is fired. We might see a bounce. So right now, just look at this like respecting the descending triangle. like that. The red thing, that's a descending triangle. So the potential move on Monday, since we held here, we can see make a bounce, and if it breaks the yellow EMA and everything, we can see it touching 334 again. If it breaks out above that, we can see it back to 336, then back to 340 area. But if it fails to break out the descending triangle and bounce down here, drops here, then it breaks this area, we can see it drop all the way to 326, which is the next support area. 326. That's pretty much this area. Was that 331? Yeah. Go 331. That's about 0.81%. But if this rejects here, that means SPY got rejected like 1, 2, about 3 times. So what can happen here Monday? Either bounce or consolidate. If we consolidate and we touch all the way here, we'll be touching the lower highs for the third time. Then we can drop here. If we drop here, we'll be touching the higher lows. We touch it higher lows, this one. Then if it drops here, we'll be touching the lower lows for the second time. Kinda completing the falling wedge. So if it drops, we got a pretty nice support at 322. Yeah, so right now DOA is fired. Red DOA, just a falling wedge. So we only got like, well, 2 confirmation that's gonna go down. Red DOA, get the falling wedge. But for it to go up, you can see that it's holding here at support. It's pretty much it for a bullish confirmation right now. There's a rejection. So there's like 2 confirmations for each. So right now it's either, for bearish, I'm sorry, also descending triangle. So you get the descending triangle, you get the red DOA, you get the falling wedge for confirmations. Then going up, you see that he held here, nice rejection week. So pretty much we did a call because I'm trying to aim for a bounce. But if it doesn't break out the demand zone, like I said, it might consolidate all the way here till September 24. We might see it consolidate. If it makes a move and pops on sometime next week, if it breaks here, yeah, we can see it breaking the downtrend channel, breaking the descending triangle, so we can go back up. But right now, this is what I see on SPY. So on Monday, if SPY opens below 330, go ahead and get some puts, like 327 on Wednesday. But if you close above this area, 332, you can get a call for like 334. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.